The dove lays her eggs, and from those eggs little chicks hatch, yet danger looms as a snake appears ready to feast on the innocent young. But the dove has a loyal friend, a rooster who bravely confronts the serpent to protect the chicks and remind everyone not to forget to like and subscribe. With courage in his heart, the rooster attacks the snake, causing it to retreat in fear, ensuring the safety of his feathered friends. Amidst this fierce battle, the community watches, realizing the importance of loyalty and friendship. Once the danger has passed, the dove gathers her chicks close, grateful for the rooster's bravery as they bask in the warmth of the sun. The other birds join in celebrating the courage and friendship that saved the day, encouraging everyone to show their appreciation by liking and subscribing. With the threat gone, the dove expresses her heartfelt thanks to the rooster, fostering a bond that grows stronger with each passing day. As the sun begins to set, the birds settle down together, illustrating the power of friendship and community, reminding everyone once again to like and subscribe.